Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. These are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. So, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So, let's start with these cards here. We have mice, ship, and mountain. So, Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, today you are facing a lot of obstacles or hurdles in your career situation, or it may be in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, it may be financial troubles or misunderstandings with this person you love. Or even for some of you, you are facing some sickness, illness, and you are on the road to recovery, guys. So, something is stressing you or worrying you today, and there are also people in your situation, they are trying to use your skills and talents or grab your opportunities. So you have people competing with you in your career situation, or it may be this person you love, they are quite envious or jealous of you of something. And Sagittarius, you are someone who goes by the book, you have your rules and you strictly follow that. And maybe today, only if you are willing to think out of the box or do things out of the way, venture out of your preconceived truth or whatever ideas you have, letting go of your old ways of thinking or your own way of doing things, you are going to taste success, guys. Because there are some opportunities, offers coming in your situation, but you are not willing to accept all that because you are not aware of it, because you do not want to risk anything and experience something new. So you have your own way of dealing your situation, guys, and you are not ready to take up some new venture or opportunity because you are what to say, not ready to take that step out of your comfort zone today, guys. And I also see that Sagittarius, you are getting some important opportunities to work in a different country or a different place. Or maybe for some of you, you may have a holiday plan coming up. Maybe you are planning a holiday with this person you love. So you are having huge plans, guys, but some things you need to change today, guys, Sagittarius, if you want more success in your life. So let's see what is this card for your relationship. Letter. So with this card, I see that this person you love, maybe they want to talk to you, they want to tell you something important, guys, and this may change the way your relationship is going. Maybe it may be a positive news, guys, but for some of you, we have a lot of negative cards for your general energy. So it may even be something negative, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Clover, a very positive card here, guys. So maybe for some of you, this message or this talk, what your person is waiting to have with you, it may be something positive, something taking you towards luck and happiness. And this clover card is just means that there is a huge opportunity coming your way, guys. You need to be ready to grab it in your career situation. So this is not going to last forever, so you should be ready to grab it and make use of it in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have, and maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spend too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.